let's learn how to ask questions about tickets the right way. Let's start. Most travelers ask this wrong. I want ticket. Let's fix it. To ask about buying tickets, always use can I or how much is dash. Dropping helping words or misordering words makes your English sound incomplete. Let's look at some examples. I want one ticket bus. This is incorrect. Can I get one bus ticket please? This is correct. This ticket, how much? This is incorrect. How much is this ticket? This is correct. Ticket train 1. This is incorrect. Can I get one train ticket please? This is correct. How many ticket movie? This is incorrect. How many tickets for the movie please? This is correct. Bus ticket I buy? This is incorrect. Can I buy a bus ticket here? This is correct. Ticket airport how much? This is incorrect. How much is a ticket to the airport? This is correct. 2 ticket please. This is incorrect. Can I have 2 tickets please? This is correct. I want ticket concert. This is incorrect. Can I get a concert ticket please? This is correct. This ticket price. This is incorrect. How much is this ticket? This is correct. 1 ticket theatre. This is incorrect. Can I get 1 theatre ticket please? This is correct. Here's a practice for you. Say aloud and fill in these blanks. Can I get a ticket to dash? How much is a ticket to dash? Let's look at the common mistake challenge. I'll give you a wrong question. Try to say or type the correct version before I reveal it. Let's start. Ticket train I want. How many ticket for bus? 1 ticket cinema please. Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. Can I get a train ticket please? How many tickets for the bus please? Can I get 1 cinema ticket please? You can try creating your own too. Let's look at a quick recap. Remember, always say can I get dash or how much is dash. Never drop the helping verbs. Practice these phrases and buying tickets will be stress-free. Save this video before your next trip. Like, share and subscribe. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next.